Did you know that there are 16,000 endangered species in the world? Habitat loss, overhunting, pollution, climate change all factor into the decreasing of animal populations. Even though there are 16,000 endangered species in the world, several of those species are considered critically endangered. This means that they are very close or on the verge of becoming extinct. Here are various animal species that fit the description and how they have become endangered and how we can help. The Chinese pangolin is my first animal. The Chinese pangolin is covered entirely by scales. It is the only mammal in the world that is actually covered entirely by scales. Their scales can run a fortune on the black market, and there are only less than 600 of these left in the world. The Javan rhino is the smallest rhino in the world. They are very quiet and very shy, and their horns cost a fortune on the black market. There are thought to be only 6 of these left in the wild. The South China tiger is my third animal. It is the second smallest tiger in the world, and they are very strong, fast, and very skilled hunters. And there are thought to be only 30 of these left in the world. The Vanquita is my next animal. They are the rarest marine mammal in the world, and they are located in the northern part of the Gulf of California. They are very shy and little is known about this species. There are only 100 of these left in the world. The Seola is my next animal. They were actually recently discovered in 1992, and it is very little known about this species. Hunting is a very big part of what has drove these animals to extinction. There are said to be less than 100 of these left in the wild. The Sumatran elephant is my next animal. The Sumatran elephant is the smallest elephant in the world. It is the largest elephant. It's the largest animal on the island that it inhabits. The elephant species unlike its African cousin, this elephant species is completely bald and is generally much smaller. There are less than 2,000 of these left in the world. The Sumatran orangutan is my next animal. The Sumatran orangutan is unbelievably smart. It reproduces every 7 to 8 years, and it generally is always in trees, except the larger males who can't be in trees always because their weight can't support. All trees can't support their enormous weight. There are less than 500 of these left in the world. The hawksbill turtle is my next animal. They get their name from the hawk-shaped beak they have, much like a bird. The hawksbill turtle's primary food is a sponge, which are very toxic to most animals, and this helps balance the ecosystem. There are less than 15,000 leaves left in the world. The cross river gorilla is my next animal. The cross river gorilla is also very intelligent, much like the orangutan, and their diet consists of nuts, fruits, bark, and leaves. There are less than 3,000 of these left in the wild. 300 of these left in the wild. I'm sorry. The Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is the most endangered animal in the world. It is located in the eastern forests of Russia, and it is where food is very scarce. It generally feeds on frozen meat and even black bears at points in time. There are less than 7 of these left in the world. My resources are onekindplanet.org and two ESCO host resources. Because of poaching Habitat loss and pollution. Many animal species are being threatened with extinction. When they hit the point of extinction, there would be no coming back. Some things you can do to help this is learn about endangered species in your area. Make sure your home is wildlife friendly. Stop with pesticides. Ride a bike if it's an option. Don't harass wildlife, and overall, just protect wildlife habitats. You can really do something before it's too late. So let's get to it. Thank you. My name is Endangered, and this was a presentation about endangered species.